welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips Evnia 27M2C5500W gaming monitor. So friend, Philips has announced the Evnia 27M2C5500W gaming monitor, and friend, this gaming monitor that combines a lightning fast 240Hz refresh rate with a compact ergonomic design and rich variety of high performance features, ensuring that every gaming session is nothing less than epic. And friend, it features AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for silky-smooth HDR gaming and ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate for virtually lag-free gaming. It also has a 1000R display design for full immersion, and it also features display HDR 400 for more lifelike and outstanding visuals. And friend, it has crystal clear images with QHD 2560x1440 pixels for popping visuals, and comes with fast V up to 1 millisecond GTG response time. And friend, it also has MultiView for seamless dual connection and view. And friend, connectivity is complete and easy with two HDMI, two DisplayPort inputs, and USB hub with two fast charging ports to easily plug in all peripherals that gamers need to like their adventures to the fullest. And friend, as can thus be organized anyway imaginable and without promises. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at for 29.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.